Welcome for 5-minute cooking in Barbados. Okay, my name is Christian Gullut. I'm working for the brand Elle Vire, okay, which is a dairy company. And today I will cook a trout fillet with almond butter and serve also with some breadfruit. You all know breadfruit from here, okay? Now we have time for cooking those trout, okay? What we will do, be sure the trout is really no humidity on it, and then you will put the trout in milk. That's what I do here. And then from the milk, you put them on a flour, and then in a skillet or in a saute pan, you will color them with a bit of regular oil and a lot of butter, because the cooking we'll do here is what we call cooking meunière, okay, which is usually involve a lot of butter. And here I use a nice butter from Elle Vire, 82% fat, very tasty. The butter. So you take out the excess flour, and then you will cook your fish, meunière, on both sides. So the fish like this will cook around 4-5 minutes. So you put as well some seasoning, salt, pepper. So be sure the first side is color, then you will turn it. You should get a nice brown coloration. Not too dark, brown light, I will say. And at the same time you cook, use your butter to baste on top of the fish. You keep the moistness of the fish. And meanwhile your fish is cooking, in the same time you will cook some sliced almond. Okay, and that will go on the top of the fish after. Here you have your slice of breadfruit, cooked with a bit of water, salt and butter. I use the same butter as I use for cooking the trout, so the butter make it moist as well, it gives some fat. And I love I discovered in fact the breadfruit when I came in Barbados for the first time, and I love that fruit. Okay, it has a particular taste and the consistency, I really like it. So now we are ready with the trout and almond. First thing, you put your nice slice of breadfruit on your plate. On top of this, you will put the fillet of fish, which is a nice fillet of fish, of trout. You will brush on your breadfruit a bit of basil and oil, mixed together just to give different taste. On top of that, now you will put the butter and the almond. That usually goes on a trout this way. And that's what we call beurre noisette or brown butter. We put around. So it's very tasty, specifically with the butter from Elle Vire. Parsley. And now just some slice of lemon. And we are done. This is your fillet of trout with almond, and you are watching 5-minute cooking in Barbados. I am Christian Gullut from Elle Vire. Bon appétit!
When I get home from work, I ain't got no time to play, especially when I've had such a long and stressful day. I need a